Hey everyone, Dan this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link-in menu on Wix. So first of all, go to Google and in the search box type Wix or Wix login. After typing, you'll see this website. I'm simply logging in. You can sign up if you want to create a new account. So here's my email ID. After writing your email ID, just log in. I'm continuing with my email and then I'll enter my password. After writing my password, I'll click on I'm not a robot and just select this to prove that you are not a robot and log in. For logging in, you'll see this site. Now, to, uh, to design a site, just click here, design site, or you can even click here on the right side. After clicking, you will see a lot of options of designing sites, but you have to select one, or you can create your own site. After clicking on edit site, you will see this option. Then just click on setup without chat and just skip this on the right side. After this, you'll see this site again and just skip it. Skip all of this, or you can else just close this from here. After this, click on design site, then pick a template. If you want to pick a template, you can select. Then I'm going on this website, edit, click on edit. After this, your template will get loaded. So we want to add a menu here. So double click here, then click on manage menu. We have to add a new link. So just click on add page. For adding a link, click on add menu item. Then it will show multiple options. For this video, we have to create the link. So click on link and then paste any link you want. I am pasting a link. So as you can see, I have pasted the link of ChatGPT for this video as an example. Now you can choose in what form do you want the link and in which window. If I click on new window, this link will open in the new window. And if I click on current window, this link will open on the current window. So for now, I'm choosing new window and then you can even set SEOs. But for now, I'm not setting up anything. I'm just I've just copied the link and I've clicked on new window and I'll click on done. Then just name this link. I am naming chat and I'll click on done. So as you can see here, this chat icon is added. For now, that's all. Thank you for watching.